Level 3, Level 4, Level 5.
비비비비. 이거 왜 하는지 모르겠어. 나도 하게 돼. 뭐 그럴까? 뭐라노? Guys, it's from Daiso, and it's literally at a fraction of a cost. You can get a quality item. Like this would be like, I don't know, 18,000 won to 25,000 won at Olive Young, but it's literally like from the same company or same manufacturer, same factory, and it's like 5,000 won only. Olive Young, I mean it's amazing sport, but this is also like 렌즈를 껴야지요. TDI, if you're watching this, please restock Ocean Purple. This is the only contacts I wear, and you guys haven't restocked it for like 3 years now at this point. Please restock it. Restock it! This is also from Daiso. Daiso Beauty has been eating these days. This one is called a Dr. CPU Soothing Repair Booster Ampule, and this was also only 5,000 won. When I'm returning to the States, not sure when I'm going to, but when I'm returning, I'm literally gonna buy like hundreds of them. Another, my favorite eye serum from Daiso. It already comes with this metal ball, and you just need to. And it smells amazing too. I think it's a lot easier to use than the viral one. Oh, this one. The beef. 28,000원, 5,000원, 28,000원, 5,000원. My favorite, Medipeel. I've been using it for 5 years. Can't really even speak because of this. It's so good, especially whenever I have a photo shoot. See that moving? Okay, 볼까? Looks like I have a mustache. 이렇게 눈이 조금 밝아 보이게 베이스를 깔아주고요. So that the color pops out better. I used like these two the most. The base, the pink is done. The browns. Kind of look at eye socket makeup, but not too much. I think it's also important that you pick the brushes that pick up the colors really well. 이빨이 그려줍니다. Now I'm finally going to use some shimmer shadows. 이 이쁜 걸 왜 지금까지 안 썼냐? 너무 이쁘네. Oh shit, I guess it's summer because now I can hear cicada. That's like the standard for me. When cicada starts to sing, that's when the summer starts. Cream. Oh. So excited to go outside today to work. So my makeup routine started to get a little bit longer, and it's because I sweat a lot. I noticed that as I age, I sweat more, and it's something that I'm not used to it. Yeah, I'm super not used to it. I noticed all of my fake lashes just tend to fall off, despite of just because of the weather. So I, instead of putting it over, I put it inside, like near nearby the waterline. I'm using the same lashes, but I'm doing it inside. Nearby the waterline. This is why it takes longer now. Really do this. I need to buy a new concealer. Seriously. Time for my favorite part! Contour. Draw a line here. Daiso Beauty. Because the camera picks it up. I think the thing about contouring is, especially if you are a content creator, you know, especially East Asians, we've got flatter face, if that makes sense. So on a camera, it distorts a lot and we tend to look more wider than what we actually look like in real life. That's why the Asian TikTok versions, they always have like the automatic liquefy effect, or like you can control it. It's just because some people look super different on a camera lens. For example, me. I have a different setting for my TikTok videos, just purely because I don't look like what I look like. Since I'm more of shooting for content, I'm doing a heavy contour and I'm doing it until the camera picks it up. So when you go see your favorite K-pop idol, they tend to look more skinny than what you saw on television, and that's because of the camera distortion. But they maintain that unrealistic weight compared to their height, just because in camera it looks wider. That's why they are obsessed with the number 45. Powdered. Yeah. 아이라이너를 그려줄게요. 애교살. With the same brush. Time for the highlighter. Like a base color for the lips. And this is my favorite lip tint because it stays on forever. What am I missing? My dots. I think this one is out though. Are you? No, don't die. Okay, it didn't die. Good. I already thought to have a thick brow so to really fill it in, but I'm going to make it appear a little bit longer and shaped just the front part. It's more neat. I'm going to use like a soft brown eyebrow, just because my eyebrows are too dark. It's better if it's a little bit more brown.